Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea drinks. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's a robust black, a delicate green, or a soothing herbal blend. Always use fresh, filtered water for the purest taste. Heating your water to the right temperature is crucial. For example, black teas need hotter water than green teas. This simple step ensures your tea's true character shines through, setting the foundation for a perfect cup. Once your water is ready, it's time to steep. Generally, use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Steeping times vary. Black teas might need 3 to 5 minutes, while green teas are often best at 2 to 3 minutes. Always remove the tea leaves once steeping is complete to avoid over-extraction, which can lead to a bitter taste. This precision ensures a balanced and flavorful brew every time. Now for the fun part, customizing your tea. You can enhance the flavor with sweeteners like honey, sugar, or agave nectar. For a creamier drink, consider adding a splash of milk or a dairy-free alternative. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices such as cinnamon or ginger, or even a slice of lemon or orange. These additions can transform your basic tea into a delightful, personalized beverage. For a refreshing iced tea, brew a stronger, more concentrated batch than usual. Once steeped, let it cool slightly before pouring it over ice. Rapid chilling helps prevent cloudiness, keeping your iced tea clear and inviting. Remember, there are countless tea recipes to explore, from lattes to sparkling infusions. For more great ideas and to enjoy reading anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.